Hi friends, my name is Pankaj and you're watching MyDubai channel. Today's video we're going to talk about step-by-step procedure of doing angle parking. So let's start the video. For angle parking you have 2 minutes of time to finish the parking. And you need to make sure your car is close to the center dotted line. As you can see in this video, once you're close to the parking slot, you can stop the car and do adjust the mirror in case you need to do it. Okay, and remember your time start only once you put the indicator. So once you are sure that you're ready for the parking, put the indicator, do the 6-point check and go slowly. As soon as you see that your right hand side mirror crosses the yellow line of the parking, you need to rotate the wheel quickly toward your right. Yes, and now look toward your left hand side mirror. As soon as you see your left hand mirror crosses the yellow line of the parking, you need to rotate the steering toward your left to make it straight. Now drive slowly. Don't put the parking brake until unless you are not sure that the car is fully parked. I will show you how to know that if your car is inside the parking slot or not. Once you see that the white line is just below the knob of the front door handle, that's the time you need to stop the car. And once that's done, you can put the car into the parking and put the parking brake. As soon as you put the parking brake, the monitor screen would ask you to exit the parking. Now again you put the indicator, do the 6-point check and then drive back slowly. Look towards your left hand side mirror, and once you see that it's just on top of the yellow solid line, as you can see in the videos, you need to rotate the wheel toward your right hand side and exit the parking. And it's okay to touch the center dotted line. Once your car is straight, you can put the car into driving and take it forward, and your parking is done. Let's see the angle parking from a different point. As you can see in this video, angle parking is easier as compared to parallel and garage parking, and it hardly takes around 30 to 40 seconds. However, you have 2 minutes to finish your parking. So per parking only one minor mistake is allowed. So if you do more than one minor mistake, even if your parking is right, you still fail. So make sure you follow all the basic, like putting the indicator, doing the 6-point check, etc. while doing the parking. And never do dry steering, which means do not rotate the wheel when your car is not moving. So if you have any question or suggestion in your mind, please do comment in the comment box. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the video. Thank you for watching.